Hello students, this is my second lecture of class 10th. So I'll just introduce Java to you in this lecture and I'll send you the PDF file of the whole chapter as well. You all have studied Java in class 8th and class 9th. We'll just discuss the common features of Java quickly. Java is an object-oriented language. It is platform independent. It uses the compiler as well as interpreter. Now what is a compiler and what is an interpreter? The point comes over here. A compiler and interpreter, these are softwares which are used to convert high-level languages into low-level languages. An interpreter converts one line at a time, one line of high-level language into low-level language, whereas a compiler converts the whole document at a time. But mostly all the languages use only one, either of them, either the compiler or the interpreter. But here in Java, it uses the compiler as well as the interpreter. It is a robust language, and fifth is it is case sensitive. I just told you that Java uses both the compiler as well as the interpreter. Why? Java is both compiled and interpreted. In the first stage, the Java compiler translates the source code into bytecode instructions. These bytecodes are not machine instructions. So in the second stage, Java interpreter generates the machine codes that are directly executed by the computer system which run the Java program. That means we require two commands to run the Java program, javac and Java. Javac is the compiler, is for compiler execution, and Java is for interpretation. That means Javac uses the compiler to translate the source code into bytecode instructions. And Java is used to run the program. Run means execution. Execution means converting the bytecode instructions into machine level language, zeros and ones. I hope this is clear now. This question is asked many a times in your Viva. Why is Java both a compiled and an interpreted language? So please make it a point to understand this and learn it nicely. Next topic is bytecode. It is the platform independent code. When the Java program is compiled, the Java compiler converts the Java source code into a program independent code that a Java virtual machine can easily understand and execute. Now what is a Java virtual machine? The Java interpreter is known as the Java virtual machine, which interprets the bytecode for a particular platform to run the program. Here one point also given here is Java Development Kit, JDK. This includes a collection of various tools that helps in writing and running Java programs. This includes Javac, Java JDB, Applet Viewer, Java P, Java Edge and Java Doc. We are using Javac here. This is a tool to convert the source code into bytecode. It uses the compiler. I have also given an assignment over here in which there are a few questions. Please copy them down. I expect all of you to write these notes as well as this assignment in your notebooks and go through the chapter thoroughly. Once you read the chapter, it is a very small chapter. Once you read through the chapter, you will get the answer to all these questions. What do you mean by bytecode? What is an applet? What is the other name of Java interpreter? Who developed the Java language? Question 8 questions in all. This is a short class because the topic is small. So I'll stop the class and I'll meet you at your scheduled time to answer your doubts. Thank you.